Are you wondering, do I need to reconcile my QuickBooks because I do use the bank feeds or I reconcile by hand? Why do I still need to reconcile inside of QuickBooks? Hi, I'm Candus, and I love to help business owners and bookkeepers simplify QuickBooks and understand the why behind what you're doing. So I want to show you in this video why it's important to reconcile, or at least explain it to you. So what is a reconciliation? It's where you take a bank statement and you compare it to what you entered in QuickBooks. And I was actually just doing reconciliations on the online version yesterday for my own QuickBooks, and it reminded me of exactly why I teach you guys to reconcile and share that with my community. It's because no matter how much you use your bank feeds, there are errors that happen. And so when you are reconciling it, it's the way you can check and balance that you've entered every single transaction in properly. It's where you go through and you say, okay, this is what cleared. These are the checks, these are expenses cleared, this is what my bank says, and then in the end, you will make sure that you balance out to zero. Whether you're using a bank feed or not, you need to reconcile because it's the only way that you don't make mistakes. So mistakes happen in your data entry, mistakes happen from transactions that didn't get downloaded, or sometimes the bank feed downloads multiple times, or like, for example, especially with the online yesterday when I was looking at, not only was I not getting some of the transactions, the sync had happened wrong. Like all of December hadn't been entered, and I wouldn't have known that if I hadn't reconciled. But then also there was some errors of where things got coded when they got matched up. And so I was able to figure that out when I started reconciling, when transfers go from, say, checking to savings, things like that. When you're reconciling, you're getting a chance to look into what exactly happened, and you'll get a chance to find all the really old stuff that maybe was entered in a mistake that really shouldn't be in there. It's a chance for you to clean up and verify dates, verify dollar amounts, and where you put the transactions. If you have questions, let me know. I will link a video up above on how to actually reconcile. I hope this inspires you to know it's the #1 way to check and make sure that when you start pulling your reports for your tax professional, that you can say, yes, I reconciled. Everything has been entered properly. Thank you for being here. Thank you for trusting me. If you'd like to join me on my next workshop where I talk about starting with the end in mind, so that when you get to the point of looking at your reports, you know what you're getting and that you entered everything in properly, I will put the link above and down below. Come join me, and I look forward to seeing you on one of my workshops. Thank you for being part of my community, and I'll see you in the next tip and trick. Have an amazing day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.